Good morning students, welcome to my class. So in class 1B maths we were doing lesson 4, isn't it? Numbers up to 20 we were doing. Okay, so today we are going to do page number 49. Okay, this is before, after and between. First we are going to start with this page number. Okay, you already know this before, after and between we have done in lesson 1, isn't it? So again we are going to do, but this time we are going to do till numbers 20, okay, because this is numbers up to 20 we are doing here. Okay, what comes before? So first of all we are going to do this one. What comes before? Alright, so you see here. Okay, here first we are going to write the questions. Alright, 11, then 19, okay, then 14, then 17 and 15. Okay, so what comes before 11? What comes before 11? So you see, you can count on the number line also if you want. You can count from 1 to 10 also. 1 to 11 you can count. Then you can find out the number just before 11. You will see 10 comes. Here let us start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Stop at 11. What number comes just before 11? 10 comes. Okay, so write down 10 here. 10, 11. Okay, so before 19 what comes? Before 19, 18 comes. Okay, before 14 what comes? Before 14, 13 comes. You try to do this yourself. Okay, before 17 what comes? Before 17, 16 comes. Before 15 what comes? Before 15, 14 comes. So you see 10, 11, 18, 19, 13, 14, 16, 17, 14, 15. Okay, next one you see what comes between. Let us do here. Next question you see what comes between. This is the question. Okay, let us write down here. What comes between? Okay, now you see here. So we have to find the number that comes in between. Let us write down the questions. Okay, 16-18, 10-12, okay, 18-20, 14-16. Okay, let us do what comes in between. Okay, please see students what comes between. Okay, so in between we have to write down what comes in between 12 and 14. Okay, so after 12 what comes? 13 comes, isn't it? 12, 13, 14. See the sequence, 12, 13, 14. After 16 what comes? After 16, 17 comes. So 16, 17, 18. Okay, see the sequence. We have to see that. After 10 what comes? 11 comes. 10, 11, 12. Okay, after 18 what comes? 19, 20, 18, 19, 20. Okay, after 14 what comes? 14, 15, 16. Okay, so please see once again, you see what comes between 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 10, 11, 12, 18, 19, 20, 14, 15, 16. Okay. Please see what comes after. Okay, now we are going to do this one. What comes after? So what comes after 11? Okay, let us write down the questions. 13. What comes after 13? What comes after 15? Okay, what comes after 18? What comes after 19? Okay, please see. You can just count. If you want, you can count. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So you please wait at 11. Okay, now after 11 what comes? After 11 what comes? 12 comes. Okay, so after 11 12 comes. After 13 14 comes. After 15 16 comes. After 18 19 comes. After 19 20 comes, isn't it? So you have to do this. What comes before, what comes between, what comes after. You do this in your books as well as your maths copies. Okay. Now you see comparison of numbers. We will use smaller or greater signs to compare the numbers. Alright. Comparison of numbers we are going to do. Okay. Okay students, now you see comparison of numbers we are going to do. Use smaller or greater signs to compare the numbers. Alright. So you see which one is greater or smaller. We compare the first number, isn't it? So you see here 10 is smaller or 20 is smaller. Okay, so you see first we have to compare. Okay, so 10 is smaller than 20, isn't it? We compare the first number with the second number. Whenever we do comparison, we always compare the first number with the second number. Okay, so you see here, this sign shows 10 is smaller than 20. Okay, 10 is smaller than 20. You can say it in other way also. 20 is bigger than 10 or 20 is larger than 10. You can say in that way also. Okay, next number you see 19-16. Now you see here, we will compare the first number. You see 19 is bigger than 16, isn't it? 19 is bigger than 16. Okay, next number you see 14-18. Okay, so we are comparing the first number. 14 is smaller than 18, isn't it? 14 is smaller than 18. Alright, next number you see 12-13. Okay, so 12 is smaller than 13. 12 is smaller than 13 or 13 is bigger than 12. Anyways, you can say. Okay, next one you see 17-11. So you see here 17 is bigger than 11, isn't it? So put the bigger sign here. 17 is bigger than 11. Next one you see 15 and 20. Compare 15 and 20. So 15 is smaller than 20, isn't it? Alright, next one you see 14 and 19. Let us compare 14 and 19. 14 is smaller than 19. Okay. Next number you see 18 and 10. 18 and 10. So 18 is bigger than 10. Okay, 18 is bigger than 10. Alright, next number 11 and 13. Compare 11 and 13. So 11 is smaller than 13. Please see the board from number 1. You see 10 is smaller than 20. Okay, 19 is bigger than 16. 14 is smaller than 18. 12 is smaller than 13. 17 is bigger than 11. 15 is smaller than 20. 14 is smaller than 19. 18 is bigger than 10. 11 is smaller than 30. Okay. See now students, we are going to arrange the numbers in ascending order. I am only writing here ascending order. Okay. I am only writing ascending order. We have to arrange the numbers in ascending order. Alright. Okay, there are 4 numbers. You see. Okay. So number 1 is 20, 16, 20, 16 and 11. Okay. 3 numbers are given here. Alright, what is the meaning of ascending order? Let us, I think, what is the meaning of ascending order? Going from smaller to bigger. Okay, that is ascending order. Alright, so you see here, we are going to select here, which is the smallest. We are going to select, you see 20, 16 and 11. These 3 numbers are here. So 11 is the smallest. After that 16 comes. After that 20 comes. Okay, we have to select. We have to go from smaller to bigger. Okay, keep in mind, this is the meaning of ascending order. Next one, 14, 12, 17. Next one is 14, 12, 17. So which one is the smallest here? Among 3, you have to select which one is the smallest. 12 is the smallest, then 14, then 17. 12, 14, 17. Okay, number 3 you see. Number 3 is 13, 10, 19. Okay, 13, 10, 19. So which one is the smallest here? You see 10 is the smallest, then 13, then 19. 10, 13, 19. Alright. Okay. First of all, select which one is the smallest you select, then 2 will be left out, then from those two you select the next number, then you select the third number in that way. Okay, next one is 10, 20, 15. Number 4, let us write down here. 10, 20 and 15. Okay, so you select which one is the smallest here. So 10 is the smallest, then 15, then 20. Okay, once again you see the board please. 20, 16, 11, 11. We have to do this in ascending order. Okay. Okay, 11, 16, 20. Next one you see 14, 12, 17. 12, 14, 17. Third one 13, 10, 19. 10, 13, 19. Fourth one 10, 20, 15. 10, 15, 20. Okay. I don't think anyone has any problem in ascending order. Okay. Now we are going to do descending order. Okay. Arrange the numbers in descending order. I am only writing descending order. Alright. Okay. Okay. Now you see here. What does descending mean? So descending means going from bigger to smaller. We have to come down from bigger number to smaller number. We have to climb down the stairs. In ascending order, we were going up the stairs. In descending order, we have to climb down the stairs. Okay. So from bigger to smaller. 16, 11, 20. Okay. 16, 11, 20. Which one is the biggest number or which one is the largest number you select? So 20 is the largest number. Alright. 20 is the largest number. Alright. Okay. Then see 16 and 11 are left out. So among 16 and 11, 16 is the second largest number and third one is 11. So 20, 16, 11. Okay, next one you see 15, 12, 17. Okay, 15, 12, 17. So we are doing ascending order. Which one will come first? 17 is the largest, then 15, then 12. Okay, number 3 you see 13, 19, 17. 13, 19, 17. Which one is the largest number here you see? 19 is the largest, then comes 17, then comes 13. Okay. Next number you see 20, 10, 16. Okay. Fourth number is 20, 20, 10, 16. Okay. Alright. So which one is the largest here? 20 is the largest, then 16, then 10. Okay, so we have done, please see, descending order we are doing. Okay, we have to select the largest number, then we have to go down. Okay, so from largest to smallest we will do in descending order. Okay, 16, 11, 20, 20, 16, 11. Okay, next one you see 15, 12, 17, 17, 15, 12. Alright, 13, 19, 17, 19, 17, 30. Okay, 20, 10, 16, 20, 16, 10. So we have done descending order. Okay, ascending order and descending order we have done. So we have done page number 49 and 50. We have done these 2 pages. Pages 49 and 50 we have done. So lesson 4 is completed, students. Okay, lesson 4 we have completed. Practice time you have to do yourself. Whatever you have done in this lesson, in practice time you have to go through that. Okay, this practice time is actually, it's like a test paper, isn't it? Whatever you have done in this whole lesson, you are going to practice here. Okay, you see, like make group of 10 and complete the following. First of all, we have done this. Okay, when we started this lesson, we have done write the numbers 1, 10 and 9 ones means 19. In this way, you do it in the book itself. Okay, match the following, that is abacus. With the abacus, you match the following. Okay, this one you do it in the book itself. What comes before, between and after today's class we have done. Use comparisons, smaller or greater signs to compare the numbers. You do ascending order and descending order. So in today's class we have done all these things. Okay, so please do it. Practice time you have to do it in your book itself. This is for practice. Okay students, so we have completed lesson 4. So lesson 1, 2, 3 and 4 we have completed. Okay, please go through all these 4 lessons and tables of 2 and 3 you please go through. Okay, thank you.